Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Yo.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello! To set your app icon, go to the Project panel and expand one Edit Comps, then expand Media, then one dot icon, and double-click the placeholder icon composition. Import your icon graphic and place it on the timeline. Crop it if necessary, then return to Final Comp to see the result. To replace the first smartphone screen, go to the Project panel, expand to Smartphone Screen, and double-click on Placeholder Screen 1. Then, just like with the icon, import your content and crop it if necessary. You can use a video clip, an image, or combine both into a collage. Return to Final Comp and move on to the next scene. Open the next smartphone screen composition, Placeholder Screen 2, by double-clicking it, and just like before, import and place your content. Then go back to the Final Comp composition. Now let's edit the first text. In the Project panel, expand the text folder, then expand the One Text Holder subfolder and double-click on the Text Edit 1 composition. To enter your own app name, open the app name composition found on the timeline. Double-click it and type in your app's name. Once you're done, go back to the Text Edit 1 composition. Next, adjust the app sign so it doesn't overlap with the app name. Then we'll change the 3 rotating slogans below the app name. To do this, in the Project panel, within the One Text Holder subfolder, open the Slogans 1 composition. Enter your rotating slogans, then return to the Text Edit composition. If needed, you can reposition the text elements as you like. Now we'll change the description at the bottom. To do this, find the bottom description composition in the timeline and double-click it. Replace the text with your own description, then go back. Return to the final comp composition. Now we'll adjust the text color settings. On the timeline, click on the main.comp composition and go to the Properties panel. This will display the template settings. In the Colors section, App Name Color controls the color of your app name. App Sign controls the color of the app icon next to the name. Slogan 1 color sets the color of the rotating slogans. Description color adjusts the color of the bottom description. Set your preferred colors accordingly. Let's move on to the next scene. To set the third smartphone screen, open the Placeholder Screen 3 composition and, as before, insert your content. Then return to the final comp composition to see the result. Now let's change the slogans or marketing phrases in the next scene. To do this, expand the Two Text Holders subfolder and double-click on Two Slogans 2. You can reuse the same slogans as before or enter new ones. It's entirely up to you. Once you're done, return to the final comp composition. Then, in the Properties panel, you can change the color of Slogans 2 by finding the setting labeled Slogans 2 Color and choosing your desired color. Next, let's set up the store badges. In the Project panel, expand the 3 Badges subfolder and open the Badge 1 composition. Insert your custom store badge there. Then do the same for Badge 2. Now let's move on to the final scene where you'll enter your app name. In the Two Text Holders subfolder, open the app name ending composition and type in your app's name. Then return to the final comp composition. In the Properties panel, you can set the text color for the final scene by adjusting the app name color ending setting. In the same color settings section, you can also change the background color, which controls the color of the background. Above the color settings in the Properties panel, you can change the smartphone animation theme by selecting from 5 available styles. Below that, you can enable or disable the camera island on the smartphone. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.